Now we're actually going to place the inverter bracket. Tighten that right down. All right, our next step in the process is we're going to place a Yotta dual power inverter. I want to put on the inverter, on the back side of the inverter, there's use a grounding weave here. That's going to make an electrical connection between this and the mounting plate. Grab the screws and insert them into the PEM nuts. Slide the inverter into place and tighten it down to complete the mounting, grounding, and DPI to the mounting bracket. Now you've made proper grounding.